Thank you for attending our first financial performance update for Gemstar, our new startup company. First, we will take a look at our balance sheet. As shown here is our cash, supplies, inventory, venue deposit, accounts payable, and entrance payable, and they're all positive, but our accumulated depreciation is negative. Next, we will see our profit and loss statement, which shows event revenue we budgeted $8,245, but we actually brought $11,400 due to great promoting and advertising. Our revenue increased by $3,105. Depreciation expense difference was $131.88. Equipment rental expense was over by $200. The promotion for the sale had ended, so we paid regular price for the equipment. Our insurance expense was supposed to receive $50 off for being a first-time customer, but the new representative never applied the discount, making it off by $50. Interest expense was estimated by a round figure, so the tax was left off of $33.33. We spent $196.84 more on office supplies due to the ink running out. We are aware of the employee that was stealing, so our payroll expenses increased by $200 because we needed other employees to cover the workload until a new hire takes place. We needed to increase the usage of utilities due to the extra hours for the employees covering. It is increased by $45. We budgeted to spend $5,709.83, but actually spent $6,566.88, which made the variance of $857.05. The statement of cash flow shows that majority of the money comes from our loans and from some of the operating activity. But we predict it will increase because we will conduct more events and attract more customers from our great value service. Internal controls are necessary to keep order and make sure things stay secure and safe. Internal controls prevent fraud and suspicious activities from occurring within a business. Employee evaluations is to reevaluate and provide training for employees to make sure they're staying in compliance with policies and procedures. Monthly evaluations will be held, and even random ones, to be sure everyone is in compliance. Physical barriers are items such as cameras, locks, isolated sections, and monitoring of all these measures shown here will be taken to maintain security and fraud. Access control will mean there will be passwords assigned to different employees, also to prevent unauthorized users. The usage of the system passwords will be monitored in real time to keep track of who is in the system and what they are doing. Approval authority will be used, and only certain managers can approve certain transactions. I will be sure to appoint managers to approve large transactions. Also have a manager still checking over small ones too. Not everyone can approve financial transactions, including some managers. Physical audits will be held, meaning cash will be counted by hand and inventory. I will randomly count cash drawers. Cash will be counted by hand and inventory. We would unexpectedly pull the drawer and count the money to be sure that everything is staying intact and according to the transaction. It is important to know how to read financial statements and the meaning of the financial statements to understand where the money is coming from and where the money is going to. If you don't know where the money is coming from and where your money is going to, it's no way possible for you to save. It's important to know the accounting terms like accounts payable and accounts entrance, because you have to know what it means when you're reading a financial statement. At first, I thought accounting was just math, but it's way more than that. Way in depth look at reading money instead of just spending money.